First step, you see the stitching right here, and you see this pattern. This is going to be towards the bottom with this visible. So you're going to basically put it like this. It's a little tight, so you're going to take your time with this. You're going to have to stretch it. That's okay. And you want to make sure that bottom line, start like this, I guess. Stretch this on the top. All right, so I started to first tuck this in with a flathead screwdriver. You're supposed to really remove this piece, but I'm too lazy. So I got my knot in here. I did like 4 knots, and the other is going into a needle. I went inside one of those as close as I can to here, and we're gonna tighten that up. All right, so you're basically gonna weave it like so, back and forth, right? So it goes underneath from this side, out the back, and then it's gonna go underneath from the front, like that, and you're basically gonna pull it. Take your time with this. You're gonna wanna probably stretch this too. And after every back and forth, I would just pinch it like this to bring it closer, and then just pull it in, make sure it's nice and tight. So here's the thing, I don't think I'm gonna have enough for the rest of this, the whole steering wheel. So I got the rest of it right now here, and I'll use the other half of this string on this side. So the kit came with a second needle and string, and I started already on here. This is just so you see. I tried my best to make it tight, and I think when I stretch this a bit more in this little excess stuff right here is going to go away. But yeah, and then this is what I did up here, so it doesn't look too, string's not all over the place. I tucked this in the best as I could with the screwdriver, and I just made a bunch of loops here. So yeah, going inside, and then yeah. So I almost forgot to mention, when you're doing the top part here, it's a bit harder to kind of close the gap here. So basically what you want to do, from when you start, every 3-4 inches as you go, you want to pause and go back down here, and use like a small tiny flathead or a pick tool, and you're basically going to go in between these threads and pull it out a bit, so you can kind of tighten this up and close this gap a bit more, and just kind of go up, all the way up and up and up, and just kind of pull, because you don't want to pull too tight because you're going to end up ripping it. So take it easy. Obviously here on the end piece, you're not going to be perfect, but just something you want to do as you're progressing for this piece up here. And that's it. Give it a test run. Right, I did one last tuck in here on the bottom. Tried my best to tuck in the rest. It's not perfect, but yeah.